Hello! So I'm just having a little wander in the woods. As you can see, it's been a while, but it's been raining and raining and raining, and yes, you can call me a wimp, but we've had something like, well, we've had the wettest February on record. We had something like 200, it was like 270% our normal February rainfall. Yeah, it's been pretty damn wet. I've been kind of busy doing other things, usual things, family, cat who was supposed to be just getting a simple neutering ended up being a lot more complicated. One of his testicles hadn't actually sort of dropped, so they had to go in deep with that. So he basically was cut from belly button up to his chest, and that's go digging around for that. But the sun's out, it has been drizzling, there's no wind. I'm just having a wander. I've got no kit with me, just the GoPro today on a selfie stick, and yeah, just having a bit of a chilled out time. So I thought I'd take you with me. So, for the birds, spring's in the air, hopefully. There's a good few weeks yet before spring. So yeah, let's have a wander around. You'll probably, like I say, you'll probably hear loads of noises and traffic and whatnot, because this is a, it's not a city centre woodland, but it is a city woodland on the edge. So, what else is happening with the channel? Almost at the 4,000 subscriber mark. Last I checked, I think we need another 8, and then I shall reveal at least one prize to give away to one lucky subscriber. As usual, just to say, you know, thanks for your support, hanging with me on the channel, because as a lot of you know, over the past year things have been a bit awkward for me trying to get out and do videos. Hopefully that'll change. Ideally, I suppose, if more of my subscribers who really like this content would like to donate to my Patreon page, or through my Patreon page, that would support me getting out and doing more of these videos, because at the moment that's actually one of the factors that's driving me, well, stopping me from getting out and doing as many videos as I would like to. Money, basically. No, I don't particularly like talking about it, but you know, things are pretty skint at the moment, so yeah, it's either getting back out and doing stuff on foot, which sort of like in the early days the channel really limits to where I can go and what I can do, and it sort of like becomes samey again. So, but yeah, any support would be very much appreciated. I believe you can donate from as little as $1, which only works in US dollars. So my GoPro is acting up, it is turning itself off, and the battery is already looking pretty low. So, I was saying, yeah, one of the reasons why I've been struggling to get out and do as many videos as I'd like as well is basically money. You know, I don't want to do just the samey videos all the time, going to the same places. I like to visit other places and show you other interesting places and different woodlands, rather than just going to the same location. To do that, I need to be able to drive. Public transport where I am is shocking. So, yeah, any help. I know there's a few of you that do help financially, and it is extremely appreciated. Thank you ever so much. But yeah, I'll put a link to my Patreon page. Not often say about it, do occasionally, just to sort of like remind people that you can support the channel. And yeah, even if I've got like I say, I've got nearly 4,000 subscribers. If 1% donated $1 a month, that would make a massive difference, and I'd put it straight back into this and getting more videos out, better videos. So because at the moment I'm recording this on my GoPro because it is more reliable than my DSLR, which is a bit on the, let's say, very temperamental side, since I went up to Scotland last and it got a load of moisture in it. So at some point I'm probably going to have to get a new camera. I don't particularly want to get a new camera. You know, I'd rather spend money on fuel to get myself out camping. Don't really need any kit as such for camping, I've got loads. But yeah, so any help would be very appreciated. Let's get back to the beauty of these woodlands and the spring air, or springish air, of twittering birds, even though there is a horrible whining sound over there. Let's go down here. There's a little river down here. I say little, probably a torrent after all the rain that we've had. I've been getting out and doing more exercise, partly of choice, because I need more exercise. The other one is actually just, it's cheaper. It's actually cheaper. I've walked to my daughter's a couple of times, and to my mum's. They live 6 miles away. That's a 12-mile round trip. It's good for getting my fat ass out though, because I put weight on. But the other reason is I need to get more healthy and better at walking again like I used to. Is I applied to go on Hunted TV show, Channel 4. It's currently on at the moment. This is how little TV I watch. I only recently found out about it, and it's season 5. Somebody sent me a link, a friend of mine, said, "Oh, I think this might be up your street," and watched an episode. Well, I watched a few episodes actually. But yeah, you know what? I'll give it a go. So I'm now recording this on my phone. Battery went on the GoPro, and I did charge it up. Bloody planes! I say I'm in a city, and Sheffield has one of the highest concentrations of flights going over it than anywhere in the UK, apart from, unless you live under the flight path of Heathrow or Gatwick. But anyway, as I was saying, I've applied to go on Hunted. Yeah. So yeah, if you haven't seen the show, basically you go on the run. The last series, or the current series, they had no kit. You are, to complete it, you have to evade capture for 25 days, using whatever means you can, and if you manage to get to the 25 days and get to the extraction point without being caught, then you win a share of £100,000, which isn't too bad. Some of you will know this because I put it on the Facebook page, and the part of the application you have to do like a little video. My arms are already starting to ache. Which I put on my other channel. I didn't put it on this one because just try and delay the fact that the hunters will get the information, they'll look at my social media basically, and they'll work out that I'm fairly good at being outdoors. So that'll give my strategy away pretty quickly that I'll go rural. But I might throw them off the ball a little bit and do a little bit of both. So, but yeah, anyway, so I've applied for that. The closing date for the applications was supposed to be last Friday. For some reason they've extended it, apparently because they want somebody from Essex. Don't know why. I don't know, maybe because they'll think that they're funny or something. Sorry if anyone's watching from Essex. But yeah, so they've extended it to this coming Sunday. Hopefully I'll get selected, because I reckon I stand a pretty damn good chance of winning, wouldn't you say? Ooh. So yeah, it's alright, phone thingy went off. So yeah, I think I stand a reasonable chance of winning, so I thought, you know what, I'd give it a go. And also, I'm not going to lie about it, be some pretty decent exposure for the channel as well. Might gain a few more subscribers. So yeah, fingers crossed, get on. Hopefully I'll find out in a couple of weeks. So yeah, that's kind of a little bit of what's been going on. Particularly the weather has been nasty. And alright, yeah, I mean, it's like Uncle Ray Mears said, you know, if you only go out when it's not raining, you'll miss a lot more. Something to that extent, I can't remember his exact words, but it was around that mark. Yeah, but it's not been so much the rain, a lot of it's been the wind. I mean, it's okay, I could get out, put the tarp up, and I'd be nice and dry. With the wind that's been with all this weather that we've been getting, even with a muff on the microphone, it would sound awful. You know, and I'd be limited to what I could film. You know, they're just not going to make for a very good video, so I thought, rather than putting what I think is going to be pretty bad content out, I'd wait. You know, I don't want to put, like I say, I don't want to put bad content out. You know, just me sat under a tarp. I mean, even this, I'm just walking in the woods. But kind of the first opportunity I've had to get out in a few weeks. So I just thought I'd bring you along for the ride and just tell you a little bit about what's been going on and what's going on, so forth. So yeah, most of it is going to be a pain in the backside to edit, because extracting these files off my phone always takes forever. Oh well, Missus going out to the cinema later, so I'll have the computer, the TV, because I use a TV as a shall we try that again? I use the TV as a monitor. It's only trouble coming to places like this. You get a lot of barking dogs, because this woodland is used a lot for people who are like professional dog walkers. You can probably hear the squelch. This is what, yeah, I mean, this is kind of the thing that, yeah, everything's just soaked, it's absolutely saturated. Imagine trying to get a fire going. You know, even dead standing wood. I'd have to cut something fairly substantial to get something dry inside. Oh, it's getting a bit sunny. Yeah, I'd have to cut something fairly substantial to get to something dry inside. And it would be something I don't really need to cut down, you know. Yes, I like to make a fire, but I don't want to make one unnecessarily, if you kind of get my drift. I don't want to use resources unnecessarily. Especially, kind of, with dry standing, it is, like I've said many a time before, it is the best for getting a fire going, especially when it's been wet. But it's also habitat for bugs, the larvae of bugs. Well, depending on the species of wood, what it is, but so there's a little conflict in there with me on it. But anyway, it's nice to get out. And I've got my hat on. You've not seen this for a while. So, there's just spinning around up that way. Well, so like in the trees up there, there is a heronry. Difficult one to say. Not nesting just yet by the sounds of it, because otherwise you'd just hear this really sort of, it's almost primeval pterodactyl-like call. I've been here before. I've tried filming them when I used to do a bit for the Wildlife Trust, and yeah, maybe I'll come back in a bit later in the spring and see if I can show you. But right, yeah, that's going to be pretty much it, guys. I have to try and edit this down a little bit just so it's not too long. Glare, because I'm using my phone. Not ideal. Anywho, I've cut to the last bit because I already recorded my ending because I knew the battery was about to die on the GoPro, which will be a bit better quality, and hopefully the sound quality will be a bit better as well. Because with both, you're going to hear the wind. With the GoPro, a little less so because it's a bit more shielded. So, on to the next clip. Say, just in case the battery does go, thanks for watching, guys. I shall try and get another video out as soon as possible. Hopefully the next one will be the giveaway. Might do a little video from home, which might come out this week as well. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, all appreciated. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.